everyone. Vanakkam. I'm Prabhu here from Precision Equipments. We are located in Chennai in Irungattu Industrial Estate. We manufacture heat exchangers, which is mostly going into the oil refineries. In a few minutes, we're going to show you the Prego equipment, which is right here. For washing the plates in our canteen. We usually do it manually, but now we have gone with this new machine. And the three main advantages: number one, this washing machine, operates at a temperature of 55 degrees for a few seconds, and then followed by 85 degrees, just washing and rinsing. So during this high temperature, the virus, even like the coronavirus, gets completely killed because they use a detergent, and of course the bacteria also gets killed with the high temperature. Number two, saving of water is very important. Conventional plate washing, let's say for 9 plates, now you might spend a liter or more for a plate. The Prego machine, it's automatic, and it uses 2.5 liters of water for the entire basket of plates. And number 3 would be saving in manpower. Conventional washing, you need at least 2 people to wash the plates, dry them. But here, this machine is automatic, so you have a pre-rinse station right here, and then the machine does the washing, and then finally it gets sorted out here. So everything can be managed with just one person. So 3 advantages: one is hygiene, saving of water, and saving of manpower. And Prego machine or service is good. I think the maintenance manager Karan, I think we don't have any service issues. No service issues. So they are very good in service. Those consume also correct. And second part is we had an ISO audit this last week. The audit team was also impressed that how hygienically we handle our canteen, including the wash area. So it is also an appreciation for us. So I would recommend a dishwasher like this. Prego is good, and it can be beneficial for any industrial canteens. Thank you. Have a good day. Stay safe.